Hello guys, welcome back to my channel and this video is all about Christmas carols at my home and మా ఇంట్లో క్రిస్మస్ carols ఎలా జరిగాయో మీరు కూడా చూసేయండి. Jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle bells, शोर दुनिया में हो गया, शोर दुनिया में हो गया. आज पैदा, आज पैदा, आज पैदा मसीह हो गया. आज पैदा. In excelsis Deo, so tender and mild. Sleeps in heavenly peace. Sleeps in heavenly. Oh, come on, joyful and triumphant. Oh, Mary, oh, coming to Bethlehem. Why shepherds was there last night? Oh, seated on the ground. The angel of the Lord came down, and glory shone around. You're not sleep, oh, mighty God, and seated on the ground. That tidings of great joy and to you and all mankind. Chitralavahe, Nanisaya, Chala, Chitralavahe. Chitralavahe, Nanisaya, Chala, Chitralavahe.
A reading from Isaiah chapter 9 verse 6. For to us a child is born, to us a son is given, and the government will be on his shoulders, and he will be called Wonderful Counselor, Mighty God, Everlasting Father, Prince of Peace.
You have brought them to this church, this house, oh God. Thank you for a wonderful.
We wanna wish you a happy new year. We wanna wish you a happy new year from the bottom of our hearts. St. Thomas family wishes you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
So yeah, that's just how it all went and Christmas లో one of my favorite parts is carols. మరి మీ ఫేవరెట్ పార్ట్ అబౌట్ క్రిస్మస్ ఏంటో నాకు కామెంట్స్ లో చెప్పండి. I personally had a great time this year and carols అయిపోయేపటికి it was 11:30 and మేము పడుకునేసరికి 12:30 ఏమో అయింది. And that's all for this video and ఈ వీడియో నచ్చితే లైక్, షేర్ అండ్ కమెంట్ అండ్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకొని బెల్ ఐకాన్ క్లిక్ చేయడం మర్చిపోకండి. See you all in the next video and bye.